Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today everybody is sad by hearing the news of the legendary actor Vivek sir, right?
Yeah.
So he passed away today due to some heart disease.
At the age of only 59,
Yeah,
I think.
so that's
So,
not that big age also.
no, this is not the age of leaving the earth. He has suffered from heart disease from
Yes.
so long,
Hmm.
and I think he got admitted to the hospital, and there he, passed away.
Hmm.
So
Yes.
that
So
was a
that
very
was a
sad
very
news
bad
and
news for
very bad
everybody,
news
and
for
because
everybody. And
he's such a great talent and such a great person as well.
yes,
So
he is a very great comedian, and he has shared the screen with Vadivelu sir a lot. He is a very close friend of Vadivelu sir also, and you can say the whole Tamil industry is shattered now. The whole
Yes.
Tamil industry is very sad because of his sudden demise,
Okay.
and this is a very critical situation for his fans, for his family, of course, and for everybody. I think
Everybody,
Vadivelu
because
sir was very
peoples
down
are
for his sudden demise,
yes, because
right?
peoples are already dying with a lot of different
Lot of
issues like
different issues,
coronavirus
corona.
and all, and these things are coming, so it's a double attack on people's mind and heart, right? So
Yes.
it's very bad news
So
for
today
everybody.
morning, actually, we got to know this, and
Yes.
ever since we know about that, we, posted in the community section also. You guys have told a lot more things about
Yes.
his death and this kind of bad, sad incident. Moreover, and there only we saw a lot of videos and got to know the things more better, like how this situation happened,
Happened
and
and what
what
exactly
exactly
happened.
was
Yes.
there, because he was not a very old aged person. So this is actually the situation where we see that around us there are so many good person, good people, but पता नहीं क्यों, मतलब एवरी टाइम अच्छे इंसान को ही भगवान अपने पास बुला लेते हैं. And that is also happened, like past year also in 2020 we have lost so many good human beings,
So many.
right? And we were very sad because of this corona situation, and because of other things also. You all
Right.
know that, right? And this year
And
also
most of
everything
the
was
legend,
going well.
most of
Haan.
the legend who
But
have
suddenly,
passed away recently
yes,
in last year as well as this year, most of them didn't die with coronavirus.
no,
They passed away just because of some other disease or something sudden
something
pass,
else sudden.
right?
So this year also everything was going good, like at the very beginning, like only this month is April only, right?
Yes.
So only we have just started
Yeah,
in the journey of 2021,
and since
and
last
everything
2
was going
week,
good,
last
but
2 weeks suddenly we started hearing a lot of the bad news also
sudden
daily.
increase of corona.
Corona and this thing is happening.
This thing has happened.
Vivek sir is passing away, so that is very disturbing for everybody.
Yes, so today actually is Vikram sir's birthday also as well. So we were like very happy because of his birthday and very sad because of this sudden
Yes,
demise.
right.
So we are very much mixed kind
Mixed
of a
feeling,
emotion, you can
emotion,
say, and we are very much feeling very much sad, because yeah, we know that he is not our family member, but still if
still
somebody
because
who is like constantly you are seeing on screen, you can definitely build a bonding, right? So that is why on that perspective only, like we are feeling very down, very sad because of
right.
this incident.
And also Vadivelu sir has left a beautiful message, and
Yes.
also he described how close he was with him. So
Yes.
today we thought let's watch this video as well with you guys.
Yeah,
Also,
actually
also
we have
know
gotten a
how
lot of
close he
requests
was there.
also. Yes, in the Instagram we have gotten a lot of requests that Vadivelu sir has like he was crying.
Shown his emotion,
He was very, he was showing his emotion. He was very down because he was very close friend of Vadivelu sir, Vivek sir actually. So they told our viewers that okay, why don't you give the reaction, because our channel is all about giving reaction, right? So that is why we thought, firstly we thought, is it okay to give the reaction on this
Right.
thing? Then we think, okay, at least by our medium, if we are expressing this thing, that yeah, Vadivelu sir is expressing his views. I think most of the people will know how good friends they were.
Right, and
Okay.
also you guys have requested us to
Yes.
give our reaction. That's why
Yeah,
we
that's
thought,
why.
okay, fine, and let's keep the heart of our audience as
Yes, yes. So yeah, let's get started with today's video, and yeah, let's get started.
well. Yes.
இன்னைக்கு காலையில் செய்திகளை பார்த்தேன். என்னுடைய நண்பன் விவேக்கு ஹார்ட் அட்டாக்ல இறந்துட்டாங்க. செய்தியை கேள்விப்பட்டு ரொம்ப அதிர்ச்சி ஆயிட்டேன். அவனும் நானும் நிறைய படங்களில் இணைஞ்சு பணியாற்றியிருக்கோம். அவனை பற்றி பேசும்போது துக்கம் தொண்டை அடைக்குது. ரொம்ப நல்லது. பொதுநல சிந்தனை அதிகமாக இருக்கு அவனுக்கு. அப்துல் கலாம் ஐயா கூட நல்ல நெருக்கமாக இருப்பான். அதே மாதிரி விழிப்புணர்வு பிரச்சாரம், மரத்தை நடுறது, இப்படி எவ்வளோ விஷயம் பண்ணுவான். ரொம்ப உரிமையான ஆனவனும் என்னடா வடிவேலு என்ன விவேக்குன்னு பேசிக்கிறாங்க. அவனை மாதிரி ஓப்பனாக பேசக்கூடிய ஆளே கிடையாது. எத்தனையோ கோடிக்கணக்கான ரசிகர்ல அவன் எனக்கு ஒரு ரசிகர், நான் அவனுக்கு ரசிகர். அவன் பேசுகிற ஒவ்வொரு வார்த்தையும் மனசில் பதிகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். என்னோட யதார்த்தமா எளிமையா பேசுவான். அவனுக்கு இப்படி ஒரு மரணம் வந்தது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. என்னால முடியல. இந்த நேரத்தில் நான் என்ன பேசுறேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. அவனை நேரில் வந்து பார்த்து அஞ்சல் செலுத்த என்னால் முடியல. ஏன்னா நான் இங்கே மதுரையில் இருக்கேன், என் தாயாரோட இருக்கேன். நான் என்னுடைய நெஞ்சார்ந்த இரங்கலை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப தைரியமாக இருக்கணும். யாரும் மனசு விட்டுறக்கூடாது. விவேக் எங்கேயும் போல உங்களோட தான் இருக்கான். மக்களோட மக்களாக நிறைஞ்சிருக்கான். மறுபடியும் சொல்றேன்,
it's very heartening to see that this kind of legend, one is no more and other is who usually makes us laugh so much. It's too much emotional.
It's the first time I see Vadivelu sir not smiling, not laughing, and make everybody cry, I think.
Yes, I think we were generally habituated with his smiling face,
Yes,
his comedy face.
I don't want to see Vadivelu sir
This
like this.
news, sudden pass of Vivek sir has made everybody sad also. This kind of legend who generally make us laugh. Today he is making us too much heartfelt with grief.
Yes.
Right.
So this is very difficult also. Like he was both were very good friends.
Yes, sir.
One friend passed away, and that is a very heavy impact on other friends. That okay, my friend is no more.
So his last tribute was this,
this only.
yes, he told that they were both good friends. They shared equal screens with them together.
Yeah.
And also he was a good social worker as well, and he has done
Do the
lot
tree
of
plantation and all.
and all. He was very close to Abdul Kalam as well. So
And
that,
even though he has passed away, but he will be there forever in audience's
yes,
heart, and everybody.
he will be there.
He will be there forever.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, like the worst thing, you know what, to see Vadivelu sir crying. He was sobbing. He was
yes,
like
trembling.
we were like listening to his breathe.
Right.
He was taking deep breath, and that is the hard, you know, to see your favorite actor in this situation.
Yes.
Like we are always habituated to see Vadivelu sir in a very funny kind of character. We
It's
always
nice.
laugh. Like our whole life, like if you see, there are a lot of there are a lot of people around us whom you are very, you know, feel very connected. nevertheless, like they are from on screen, off screen, or whatever it is. So Vadivelu sir is one of that personality which we are very much feeling connected to. We always see Vadivelu sir का movie या फिर movie scene on camera हुआ, off camera हुआ, we always like think, okay, this person is very lively and make anyone instantly happy by his activity, by his acting, by his funny smiles and everything. And today I think his this contribution towards Vivek sir's demise, I think make whole India cry.
Yes,
Because
exactly.
the way he was expressing his sadness, no,
It
is
was a double attack on
yes,
people's
double
heart.
attack on people's mind.
Yes.
So क्या बोले मतलब
Vivek sir, he was also, means we have seen some of the videos earlier also.
Earlier
he
also
was also a great actor, right?
commendable actor.
He has done more than 100, 200 movies, I guess. I'm not sure exactly on
Yes.
that, but yes, he's a brilliant actor. Madhuvelu himself, he tells generally that he is more better than me. He usually used to tell that thing.
Yes.
And, yes, he
And
is
they have shared screen in
lot of the
lot of the
movies.
movies.
Lot of the movies, so-
They both,
Yes, sir.
they both are legends
Good
in
friend
Tamil
also.
film industry, and I think this is a very big dhakka towards the film industry. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I think we can't tell more about this because this kind of demise and passed away kind of situation is very hard.
Yes.
Very much hard to explain, like what people are thinking and what we are thinking as a reactor. And this is very hard, we are thinking that everybody should be happy and healthy and alive, safe and sound. That is what we want as a human, because
Again,
nowadays people's condition, like every single where, like if you see in not
daily we are
only in
hearing,
India,
bad
outside,
news
very bad news, like
throughout the world.
Seriously.
Lot of the good person, a lot of the poor people are
Yes.
dying.
So-
that is making us
Very-
feeling very bad from our heart itself. So
that's why whenever we give the reaction, we always try to be happy. We don't want to be sad in front of you. But what to do, this news itself is shattering. We
Yes.
can't do anything. And yeah, once again we are praying to God that
Yes.
everybody should be happy, sound and well. That's it.
yes,
Okay.
and also may God give his soul rest in peace.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. फिर मिलते हैं कोई नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय.
Bye.